In today's video, I will teach you how to whiten teeth in photos using photo AI tools. Let's get started. The first step is opening Photo's AI photo editor. And here, you can use one of Photo's sample images to test the tool, or click Upload to work with your own photo. And once your image is loaded, go to the left panel, then click on the Beauty tab, and scroll to the Mouth section, and select Teeth Whitening. Now we're going to adjust the brush settings. Make sure the Add Brush option is selected. Then adjust the brush size to fit the subject's teeth. Then set the whitening intensity. Starting around 50% is ideal, and you can fine-tune it as needed. A pro tip is using the zoom feature to get a more accurate application. Now we're going to brush over the teeth. To do this, carefully paint over the subject's teeth with the brush. And for natural looking results, avoid maxing out the intensity. And if you accidentally whiten the lips or skin, you can switch to the subtract mode to erase unwanted areas. Now click the compare button at the bottom to view the before and after of your edit. And once you're happy with the whitening effect, you can click the download button to save the photo to your computer or device. And here are some quick tips. Subtle whitening looks more natural, so make sure to not overdo it. And this tool is ideal for portraits, profile pictures, or client edits. And you can also combine this effect with skin smoothing and blemish removal for a full beauty touch-up. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.